Good evening, students. So welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel. So myself, Dr.Rajendra Prasad, biology educator on Unacademy EAMCET platform. So in today's class, we'll be discussing about the topic that is multiple alleles. So we'll be discussing about the topic that is multiple alleles. So this lesson, we know it belongs to the lesson that is principles of inheritance. We'll discuss the small topic in today's session that is called as multiple alleles. It belongs to the lesson that is principles of inheritance. So before starting the class, I would like to tell you about our Unacademy EAMCET Plus courses students. Unacademy EAMCET has reduced its Plus courses price by 40%. So 40% of the Unacademy Plus courses price has been reduced to students. So that is a benefit for you. If you purchase the Unacademy EAMCET Plus courses, you will get 40% deduction from the previous prices. If you see, if you are interested, you can use my code RAJENDRALIVE and purchase these courses, and you also get 10% discount from the given amount actually. Now let us see what are the different pricing plans that are available on our Unacademy EAMCET Plus platform. So 1 month trial plan is costing around 1,500 rupees. So 1 month trial plan is costing around 1,500 rupees students. 1 month plan is costing around 1,500 rupees. If you see 3 months plan, so 3 months plan is costing around 3,750 rupees. So similarly, if you see 6 months plan, so if you see 6 months plan is costing around 6,000 rupees. So whereas 12 months plan costing around 8,250 rupees, whereas 24 months plan is costing around 12,000 rupees. So these are the different pricing plans of Unacademy Plus platform students. Now these are the these plans are of very least cost. So then compared to other platforms, so I suggest you to purchase these plans so that you can have a best chance to interact with the top educators on our platform actually. So for example, if you take 1 month trial plan which is costing around 1,500 rupees, and if you use my code RAJENDRALIVE, again you will get 10% discount from the course. So you will get it course for 1,350 rupees only. Of course it is given as 1,500, but you will get the course for 1 month plan for 1,350 rupees if you use my code RAJENDRALIVE. So like this, certainly there is a discount is also available if you use my code RAJENDRALIVE from the given amount actually. So let us see what is the benefits of taking Unacademy Plus courses. So premium content will be available at affordable price. So structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing sessions. So quizzes also will be conducted at regular intervals. So batches, lecturers will be in batches students. You can join the batch of your interest. So let us see what are the batches that are already running on our Plus platform. So there is one batch which is called as Rapid Revision Telugu batch. In that I am taking the biology classes, Sarish taking physics, and Sarish taking chemistry classes. And this is for students who are preparing for PCB. Similarly, there is another PCM, so physics, chemistry and maths batch is there, where Sarish is taking chemistry, physics and mathematics. There is another batch is also running already, that is called leader batch. So leader batch in which biology, physics and chemistry lectures are also part of it. So these batches, so 2 batches are for biology and 2 batches for students who are aspiring for the engineering entrance examinations who are there. So you can you can enroll in any of these batches if you are interested. Now apart from this, there is a test series. So test series is also available students, that is free practice test series. It is a free practice, okay. So it is a free course only. You can use my code RAJENDRALIVE and you can use the test series to practice. So daily on any of the subjects, it can be mathematics or it can be physics, it can be chemistry or it can be biology. So 20 questions will be made available on our website. You can practice that. You can practice it several times. You can evaluate the performance to what extent you are preparing and how the preparation is going on. So you can evaluate. So there are more than 45 tests are also mentioned here. There are available. Now how to attempt this test series is also mentioned here. Now you can click on the students who have taken the Plus subscription. You can click on the Plus and you can find out the live tests that are available. So more than 45 plus tests are available on our platform actually. So this is how you can participate in the test series students. So now let us continue. So in today's topic, that is multiple alleles. So the name of the topic is multiple alleles. So today's topic is we'll discuss about the multiple alleles. So in previous classes we were discussing in detail about the different like monohybrid cross we have discussed about the dihybrid cross, we have seen about incomplete dominance. Now let us see what happens in multiple alleles. So every gene, so if you see every gene has two alleles actually. So we were discussing previously. So every gene has two alleles. So like we have seen about in Mendel. So Mendel's one character, let us take in Mendel's experiment, we have taken plant height. So for plant height, so gene for the plant height, so the gene, so in this plant height gene, the plant height gene has how many alleles? It has two alleles. So every gene has two alleles. Similarly here also, so in plant height gene of Mendel cross, in Mendel cross we have seen about the plant height. So in the Mendel's pre experiments actually, so two alleles are present. So one allele, so it is tall and another one is small, so that is the dwarf actually. Now this is the tall. So one allele, capital T allele. Now this capital T allele it is for the tall, so it is the tall, and small t that allele is for the dwarf actually. So like this, every gene has two alleles, but in some cases what happens is the particular gene has more than two alleles. Such condition is called as multiple alleles. So what is this multiple alleles is? First of all, we should know every gene, in majority of cases every gene has two alleles. For that, what I am explaining here is about how Mendel has done. So Mendel has conducted the experiments in that he has taken about the plant height in monohybrid cross. We have seen about monohybrid cross in plant height, taking the plant height. So they have done cross in monohybrid cross. So that monohybrid cross gene, so that particular gene has two alleles, that is one is capital T and another one is small t. Capital T allele code for that is dominant, that is that will code for tall, and small t that is for dwarf. So every gene has two alleles, but in some rare cases, so gene has more than two alleles. So sometimes what happens is every gene has more than two alleles. So particular gene has more than two alleles, and such condition is known as multiple alleles. No such condition, so particular gene has more than two alleles, such condition is known as, so if a gene has more than two alleles, such condition, so the gene that is having more than two alleles, such condition is known as multiple alleles. No such condition is known as multiple alleles. Such condition is known as multiple alleles. So such condition is known as multiple alleles. So the same thing which I am discussing now, every gene has two alleles. So if the gene has more than two alleles, then if the gene has more than two alleles, such condition is known as multiple alleles. So multiple alleles, best example we study is the human blood grouping. So human blood groups. So human blood group system. So human blood group system, if you see human blood group system, it is also known as ABO blood group system. So these are the three alleles. So A alleles, the allele A, allele B, and allele O allele. So it has three alleles, 1, 2, and 3. So human blood group system, ABO system, which is also known as ABO system. ABO system has three alleles. This ABO system has how many alleles means? It is having three alleles. So now this is considered as a best example for multiple alleles. So multiple alleles best example is ABO blood group system. It is having three alleles, is a best example of multiple alleles. So this ABO blood group system, if you see the ABO blood group system, so here A and B, so A and B both are dominant. So both A blood group and both blood group A and blood group B. So blood group A and blood group B both are dominant. So ABO blood group system is also best example of codominance. ABO blood group system is also a best example of So ABO blood group system is also best example of codominance actually. It is also best example of codominance anyhow. So let us see something about this multiple alleles in that. Let us take example of ABO blood group system and discuss in detail. Now this ABO blood group system, so ABO blood group system, so ABO blood group system is the best example of multiple alleles. So in this ABO blood group system, so it has how many alleles? It has 3 alleles. So ABO blood group system code for, so it has 3 alleles, that is A, B and O. 3 alleles what are named as A, B and O. Now this ABO blood group system has so number of phenotypes. If we see the phenotypes of ABO blood group system, so we know that 4 different blood groups. So blood group A is a blood group A, so blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. Now these are the 4 phenotypes of ABO blood group system. So blood group A has antigen A, it is having antigen A, it is having antigen A. So blood group B, it is having antigen B. So ABO blood group system is having antigen A and as it is having the antibodies A and B actually. So like that anyhow, so O blood groups don't have antigen, it is also having the antibodies actually. So these are the phenotypes. Then if you see the genotypes, so blood group A has genotypes, that is capital A and O. So then blood group B has phenotypes, that is capital B and capital B and capital O. So AB has, of course it is AB. Then O blood group has OO. Now these are the total. So total number of genotypes are 6. So total number of phenotypes are 4. So if you see the blood group ABO blood group system, so it has best example of the multiple alleles. It has 3 alleles. Okay, it is having the 3 alleles. So it has 4 phenotypes. So blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and O. These are the 4 phenotypes. Whereas if you see genotypes, it has 6 genotypes. So 6 genotypes are AA, AO, and blood group B has BB and BO. Blood group AB has AB and O has OO. So of course in blood group AB we don't have antigens. Antigens are absent. In O blood group also antigens are absent. So antigen A. So blood group A has antigen A. Blood group B have antigen B. So AB blood group don't have antigens. So blood group also don't have antigens. So that is the reason. So that's about the ABO blood group system. Now let's see some multiple choice questions regarding this. So what is the possibility of child with blood group O being born to mother and father having blood group O and B? So now let's discuss this question. So mother and father. So if you see mother, so what is the possibility of mother? So born to mother and father having blood group O. So mother is having blood group O blood group, and father is having the blood group of B. So if you see the genotypes, so genotypes, let us see first genotypes of O blood group. So O blood group genotype is OO. So B blood group genotype, if you see the B blood group genotype, it is, so we know that BB and BO. These are the possible 2 genotypes. Now we have to cross this. So mother and father. So let us take first combination. We have 2 combinations possibilities, OO into BB, 2 possible combinations, and another combinations is OO into B and O. Means these 2 combinations with this. Okay. Now what is the possible offsprings? So possible offsprings, we know that OB, then OB. So like this you have to do anyhow. So OB, again OB and OB. So everywhere you find this, finally this is showing, this all the offsprings are showing which blood group. It is showing B blood group. Then let us see about this condition 2. So we get OB and again OO, OB and OO. So we are getting two possible blood groups. Now this is O and this is O. Now both are 2O, 50% O. In second condition we are getting 50% O blood group and another 50% we are getting B blood group. So based on that we can take answer as option 2. So what is the possibility of child with blood group O being born to mother and father have blood group O and B, and we can take answer as 2 as answer in this case. Okay, now let's move to the next question. What should be the blood types of parent if the children can have only A and B types of blood group? So what should be the blood type of parents? Now let us see. So children should have only A and B types. So children should have only A and B types. Now let us go individually one by one. So blood group A and O. So blood group A. So blood group A means we have, so first cross. Now let us see about the first cross. So first cross is between A and O. So let us see whether A and O possibility to get. So possibility to get A and B types. So A and O. So A and O we have two combinations for A, genotype. Now this one, and for O only one type. So then we get all our A type. Now A blood group we will get in this case. A blood group we will get. Here we get 50% A and 50% O. Means if you do cross for these conditions, we get these results. I am writing directly actually. Now let us see about the second condition. So now AB into O blood group. Second condition of this one. AB into O blood group. So AB genotype is AB into OO. Then if we cross this, we get AO, comma, again AO, BO and BO. Yes. Now we are getting blood group A and blood group B. Yes. Now option 2. So option 2 can be the answer, students. So in this case, when the two parents, if one of the parent is AB and other parent is O, then the possibility of the blood group in case of the offsprings, children, we can have blood group A and as well as blood group B. Both types can be found. Now let's move to next question. See, 3 children in a family have blood group O, AB and B respectively. What are the genotypes of the parent? Okay, so children, so what are the blood groups of children? So children blood group is O, children blood group is AB and another child is blood group is B. Means all possible conditions they got. Now what is genotype of parents? Then, so let's see, so stay option wise. Now first one is AO into BO. If we cross this, so what are the combinations we are getting? So we are getting AB, then AO, OB and OO. So certainly we are getting AB blood group, we are getting A blood group, we are getting B blood group and O blood group. So there is a possibility, first option. So first option there is a possibility is there. Now let's see the option 2 also, so that we will get one conclusion. We will get to conclusion. Okay. So AB into OO. So now this one, what I am doing is this one, AB into OO. Now we see the combinations, we get AO, again AO, then BO and again BO. So the possible blood groups is this is A blood group and this is B blood group. But the daughter individuals are, you see the daughter individuals are O, AB and B. So there is a possibility for option A can be answered. Let us see other options also, then we can conclude. So let's see with option 3 now. So BB into A, then BA. First, if you see this combination, so BA or AB, whatever may be. So BA or AB, again AB, and everywhere AB. So finally, we can conclude that all the 4 individuals are showing same type. So this is, you will get only AB blood group. AB group only in case of third condition, you will get only AB. Now let's see fourth condition also. So fourth one is AA into BO, or this one. Now here it will be O, right? So BO. Then what is the combination? AB, AO, again AB, AO. So you are getting, in fourth condition we are getting AB blood group and we are also getting A blood group. So finally, so statement A, so this option A can be answered. In option A, when we cross in option A, it can be A, B, and O. All the groups we are getting. In option 2, we are getting only A blood group and B blood group. Option 3, we are getting only AB blood group. Option 4, we are getting AB blood group and as well as A blood group. So based on this, we will take answer as option 1. Option 1 is answer in this case. Okay, now let's move next question. So parents with the blood group O will have children with, so that is the question. So parents with blood group O will have children. So if both the parents, if one of the parent is both the parents, no, father is O blood group, mother is also, father is O blood group, mother is also O blood group. So they have genotype. If you see genotype OO, mother also have genotype OO. Now we cross it. Of course, now this is the genotype. Now if we cross it, we get everywhere we get OO blood group only. So everywhere, so only option 2 will be the right answer. Only will get O blood group. So only will have only one blood group, that is O blood group will be the right answer. Okay, option 2 will be the right answer. Now, B blood group person can donate blood to and receive blood from. So B blood group person can donate. So the person with blood group B can donate. He can donate blood only to B only. He can donate to B only. He can donate to B. He can donate to B and okay. And universal acceptor. AB is universal acceptor, so he can donate to B and as well as AB. Of course, it is universal acceptor. AB of blood group is universal acceptor, so AB also can accept it and can donate. Okay, and receive. He can receive blood. So he can receive. From whom he can receive blood? So B blood group can receive blood. Receive from B blood group can receive from B. Okay, he can receive blood from B and he also can receive blood from O. So O is a universal donor. O blood group is universal donor. So these are the two conditions where we can see two conditions. Okay, so now these two are the right answers in this case. Okay, so from that we can see, I think we can go with the answer. You can also receive blood. Okay. Here it should be O actually, then we'll go with answer is option 2. So hi children, welcome to Unacademy. Next, a child with mother A blood group and father of AB, so child with mother of A blood group and father of AB blood group will not have following blood group. So now the child's mother, so if it is the mother, so mother is having blood group A, so mother is having blood group A and his father is having blood group AB. Now let us see, and he is telling will not have the following blood group. Now let us see genotype first. So A blood group genotype, there is a possible genotypes are, two genotypes are possible genotypes, that is capital A and capital O, capital A, capital O. These are the genotypes for mother. Now father genotype is of course only AB. AB is a genotype for father, only one possible genotype. Now we will do the cross. Now two possible conditions, capital A from mother into AB from father. Now what are the combinations we get? We get capital A, capital AB, then again capital A and AB. So 50%. So then we get 50% AB blood group, 50% blood group A. Now let's go for second combination also. The second combination AO into AB. So then AA, AB and OA and OB. So you have a combination of B blood group, A blood group, AB and again A. So out of these two cross, if we compare, we are not getting blood group O. So the question is also asking the same thing. The blood group will not have the following blood groups. Which following blood groups is not formed? Means ఏదైతే అక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుందని అడుగుతున్నాడు. So that is the reason we take option 1. So option 1 is considered as the answer in this case, students. Okay. So blood group O. So we are not able to find blood group O from these two crosses. So we will be taking answer as blood group O as answer. Okay. Okay students, now this is the end of the today's discussion on multiple alleles. So session close చేసి ముందు ఒకసారి Unacademy EAMCET యొక్క ప్లాన్స్ ఒకసారి మీకు చూపిస్తాను స్టూడెంట్స్. సో Unacademy EAMCET ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో ప్లాన్స్ తీసుకుంటే చాలా తక్కువ స్టూడెంట్స్. మన 1 month ప్లాన్ అయితే 1500 రూపీస్. సో మీరు నా కోడ్ యూస్ చేసినట్లయితే RAJENDRALIVE, you will still get 10% discount. So 1500 10% discount means 1350 rupees. So 3 months plan, if you see 3 months plan is costing on 3750 rupees. So if you use my code RAJENDRALIVE, again you will get 10% discount from that. Certainly will benefit for your students. So ఇంత తక్కువ మీకు ప్రైజెస్ ఏంటంటే ఏ అదర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో కూడా మీకు తక్కువ ప్రైజెస్, Unacademy అదర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ తక్కువకి మీకు ఎక్కడ కోర్సెస్ దొరకదు స్టూడెంట్స్. సో ట్రై టు యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ సోర్స్. సో 6 months plan తీసుకున్నట్టు 6000 rupees. So 6000 rupees for 6 months, whereas 12 months plan is costing around 8200 rupees. So 24 months plan is costing around 12,000 rupees. So this is about our Unacademy EAMCET platforms and its courses. Thank you students. See you in the next class. Thank you all of you for joining the class.